Hello and welcome to another video. The long awaited Fender GTX 100 amp demo. So here's the amp, playing it, my Silver Sky through it, and just giving a quick rundown. So this is the control panel on the amp itself. As you can see, pick an amp, there's many to choose from. Pick obviously through the other pedals, reverb pedals, delay, chorus, flanger, you name it, it's got it. And you can do this on the amp itself, and you can also do it through the app, and I'll be posting a video of that just after this one. So as you can see, loads and loads of stuff to choose from. Fuzz, overdrives, all quite funny names. So obviously Mythic Drive is a clon, and Green Drive, or Green Box, sorry, is a tube screamer. So they're the two that I usually go for. They sound the best, especially when paired together. Again, there's loads and loads of different effects on this amp. You could go through them and it would take a good hour or so. Anyway, you can see the master volume knob there, that controls the amp itself. Going to the left, you then have a reverb, a bass, a middle, a treble, a volume and a gain knob, and they directly correlate to the amp within the amp, if that makes sense. So with this, in this preset, the 65 Deluxe, that obviously you can edit the gain, volume, treble, middle, bass, reverb on there. So if you were making a preset from scratch, this is what you'd get. So all the Fender amps pretty much to choose from, all the pedals obviously with a little picture to help you decipher what they are, deciphering the classics. As you can probably tell, John Mayer set up here, compressor, clon, tube screamer, reverb and a delay. So this is a bird's eye view of what you get. So if you hold this button, there's now a tuner. Turn the volume on. In tune. You've got the effects. So 46, 47, 48. And this is what all the presets look like in the app when you can just scroll through them. As you can see, there's 200 and I use less than half. So all 5 in a row, lined up. So on here, got the Green Box, so Tube Screamer, Mythic Drive, Clon, Harmonic Tremolo, 65 Deluxe amp, 65 Spring reverb, and then a compressor at the end. So that goes in line. So Green Box, Clon, reverb, Harmonic Tremolo, and then at the end, compressor. So for Gravity, the tone I found is best. I've made that everything on apart from the Tube Screamer to start. And then for the solo, I'm not going to Tube Screamer on. Another preset I've made, one for Shot in the Dark. So it's got, again, overdrive, a chorus, 65 Deluxe amp, vibrato, and a compressor at the end. the looper, so a bit of Rosie. So to finish off the video, just going to go through some clean tones, some bold as love chords through a 65 Deluxe with 2 compressors. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like, comment, subscribe, all that jazz, and check out my Instagram as well for more John Mayer guitar related stuff at Guitar by Gus.